How has the private banking sector in the Channel Islands developed over recent years?
Well, I think the island has done really well in implementing higher standards of regulation in line with the international community, to improving transparency with various tax information exchange agreements, and really positioning themselves as very high standard, well-regulated international financial centers. Then you take the natural strengths of the Channel Islands, the political stability, the depth in wealth management talent, but also related disciplines of law and accounting, tax neutrality, and those aspects, those strengths are really being leveraged to help the industry continue to grow.
So what are RBC Wealth Management's key differentiators within and beyond the Channel Islands?
Well, first and foremost, it has to be strength and stability. RBC has weathered the various financial crises that we've had over the recent past and has emerged in very good condition, strong capital base, and ability to invest globally. In the Channel Islands and the UK, we have a full wealth management offering across the full range of services that clients would need today. And finally, I would say it's our delivery. We deliver integrated wealth management solutions using teams of professionals with complementary expertise. We're very focused on solutions and understanding client needs and how we bring the various disciplines together around the client to come up with a solution for them.
How important has RBC's Canadian heritage been to the success of Channel Islands business?
Well, the Canadian banking industry has been recognized as the strongest in the world, and RBC is Canada's largest bank. So that is certainly a strong heritage from which to start. Beyond that, we've been in the Channel Islands for a number of years. We're celebrating our 50th year in Jersey, which is almost as old as the financial industry in Jersey, and next year we'll be celebrating our 40th year in Guernsey. So a Canadian heritage, but also an international capability, a long history in international wealth management solutions.
So what's the secret to success in operating in these tough environments?
Well, first I think you need a diversified business model. So the breadth of the wealth management solution set is important because clients' needs are changing in these difficult times. I think secondly, you need high caliber people with expertise in various disciplines so that you can bring that expertise often in teams around the client, so that we have teams of professionals with complementary expertise collaborating to come up with a client solution. And then finally, strength, stability, and integrity. These are all things that clients are looking for in their financial partner.
What would you say the key opportunities for operating in the Channel Islands are over the next 10 years?
Well, I think first you need to look at the Channel Islands' core value proposition. And to me, that is strength, stability, political stability, rule of law, good court system. It's the broad access to expertise that we have in the jurisdictions, whether that's wealth management, law, accounting, fund management. It's tax neutrality. And taking those core value propositions, understanding where the opportunities are in the world. And we've increasingly been looking at emerging markets where not all of those characteristics are evident. And so our value proposition in the Channel Islands can complement clients from those regions. I think increasingly it's the international client, the client who's living in a country different from their home country, or who has family in different countries around the world, or businesses in different countries around the world, or in fact has an international outlook toward their affairs and is looking to diversify. That's the client that can be best served from the Channel Islands against those core value propositions.
Paul Patterson, thank you.
Cheers.